Okay, I'm out here today to do a river steward inspection of a stream restoration site on the West Fork of the White River. This restoration was conducted by the Watershed Conservation Resource Center, and after large floods like the one that came through here and the river was up to 25 feet and hit about 25,000 CFS, structures controlling flow need to be checked to see if they're still there and still functioning, and if there's any maintenance needed like trees removed and such. And structure number 1, J-hook vein, looks good to me. Truly impressive structure. Maybe a little bit of scour on the bank over there. May need to come in and do a little bit of touch-ups on it, but that is impressive to still be functioning. If you had a kayak, that looks like a great whitewater play spot. See here. Structure number 2, J-hook vein, looks good. It's a good looking J-hook vein. Still in place, water flowing through perfectly. Let's go look at structure number 3. Look at all this wonderful vegetation that was replanted as part of the stream restoration. Got some red twig dogwoods, witch hazel, viburnum. Wow, look at this bench. It's a rock bench right here. Lets the water get out of the channel, relieve pressure. You can see all the grass bent over as the water flowed through. The grass being on the ground protected the soil from scour. All the plants collect leaves, slow the water down. Yeah, this looks wonderful for such a large flow. A little bit of scour behind some of the bench. The next structure looking pretty good up here. The stuff is so easy to walk through now that it's been beaten down a little bit. There was a lot of growth left over from the season. It made it harder to walk through here just a few weeks ago. Okay, getting close to the top. From right here, we're looking at an upstream J-hook vein, rock ford above that, and a large J-hook vein, and looks like an additional structure was actually put in right there. Looks good. All this stuff looks great for such a large flow to come through here. And then again, it does offer some nice whitewater play opportunities. Water quality looks good. Some litter and debris. I love walking down through here and just looking and seeing how all the grass and plants on the bank folded over and protected the bank, kept all the soil here. You can see on the other side there's a little bit more gravel. Some of that gravel wasn't held down with the roots and was not protected by vegetation being folded over as the water flowed through, and so it's missing. And a lot to be said for having some good vegetation right on your creek banks and in the riparian zone. It protects more than water quality. It protects your pocketbook because you don't have to lose your land, and you don't have to forego being able to enjoy all the benefits like wildlife, good swimming holes and fishing that come from having a healthy riparian area. Really increases your property value